Is they're sending spiritual messengers, Scorpios, because they can't figure out what you doing. These birds are messengers. They're sending spiritual messengers to figure out what you doing. And some of you, these messengers are actual, they're actually in the 3D. It's like you'll be doing something and here go one of the messengers. Okay? Just waiting. You trying to reach the top, you trying to get to where you are going, and here they are, just, conveniently placed near your pentacles, near your finances, to keep track on you. They're messengers.